To get premium trading and investing tips, support on Patreon. How's it going, everybody, and welcome to another Market Watch video. Guys, if you were in the stream today, thank you so much. Like, so many of you have turned into my stream. It was just an amazing time to just see so many of you being there. Thank you so much for joining, guys. It means a lot. And if you like these videos, make sure to drop those thumbs up, because it helps a lot to get these videos to a broader audience, as the YouTube algorithm just pushes it more to other people, and it helps a lot to me. And if you enjoy the videos, I hope it helps you guys as well. Guys, as you see right now on the screen, I did sold all of the UCL investments before the UCL market matchups, because look at what happened. Look at what happened. EA didn't put the requirements as UCL rare or non-rare cards. I told you guys in the yesterday's video, sell them before in the hype. If you don't want to risk it, it's usually the safest way, and this is what they did. They threw curveballs. You don't need any of the UCL rare or non-rare cards to complete these SBCs. Now, this means two things. The first thing is that the UCL cards can go very low, and if you look at the 83 or the 84 rated UCL cards rare for a 1k value or under, I feel like it will be very good buy for the next week, because on Tuesday we get another marquee matchups and another round of hype. So if you're waiting for that, you can make some very good coins into that. Now, the second thing is that since there's no UCL requirements here, and the requirements are quite low, I feel like these will be very accessible. More people will do them, and that means that we will get more supply. So the market should drop lower into tomorrow than what we even expected at the start. Another thing that happened, and we're gonna get back on that, which specific cards are gonna go down, but I need to show you the Talisca card just released on the SBC, like on the market or whatever you want to call it. This dude is just sick. Come on, an 85 rated team, one Brazil player, no team of the weeks. This is something that can bump up already now, like a few of the 86s, a few of the 85s. And this is what I was talking about. EA is slowly, progressively gonna bring up in value these fodder rated cards into November, as the Icon SBC should bring them up so much in value that they want to make them reach a specific price target, so that investors can profit in a very small time span out of these cards that quickly. So basically they slowly tend to rise them into the Icon SBC, so we don't profit as much, even though we'll profit a lot during the Icon SBC period, which should be at the end of November. But into that one, we'll see the fodder, the 85, the 84, the 86 potentially slowly pick it up. But yeah, the card looks sick. The traits are amazing. The outside foot 4-star, 4-star. If we go into the in-game stats, the agility 90, that's just freaking crazy on a card like that. He's got 82 finishing. Like, the shooting is amazing, the pace boost, everything. Like, I love this card a lot. If you have a lot of the 85 untradeable cards and you can use them as a super sub, why not? If you can fit in to a Brazil team, why not? But all in all, I usually don't recommend to throw your coins into the SBCs, because they're usually just a coin suck at the end of the day. Now, if we go back onto here, as we were talking earlier about the cards that actually, the supply that is happening right now, since the marquee matchups are more accessible, more people are packing all of these cards on the market, and more people are going to potentially flood. Also, the team of the week 4. I know a lot of these were cheaper before the supply and all of that. They were cheaper on Sunday. Delaney was down to 60k, 58k. Like Rashford was like at 580. Werner was down to 300. I do think as more people open these SBCs right now, and as we progress into tomorrow, I do think before they go out of packs, they can be lower, and they could be a very good buy. You guys will just need to wait and see if late evening tonight some of these cards touch the same values as they were already on Sunday. I can't see why you wouldn't buy them, because if they already reached such a point right now, when they're still in packs, I do think they can reach that one as well as soon as they go out of packs again on Thursday. Of course, into the weekend league, they can rise. So if you see specific patterns, don't forget at the 86, 85 rated like Parejo, Ibrahimovic, Oríasbal, getting them under or close to 15k is usually always a good buy. Just store one of each in your club, let them sit there till the November and the Icon SBCs drop. A lot of you have been asking me about the rule breakers. Now, I know a lot of the YouTubers are looking at the rule breakers card, and like probably the biggest ones even predicted that the rule breakers are gonna potentially be at the low point on Thursday. Now, this is something that I'm worried about because the biggest traders and the YouTubers saying that they could be lowest on Thursday could have some effect. Yes, I can see Andre Camara, Dumfries, Lazari being lowest Thursday, but just because too many people will potentially wait and not buy them right now with the supply, I do think most of these can reach very low points into the Wednesday late evening, so tomorrow evening, right before they are expecting the supply. As soon as the supply hits, they'll start buying them and they will bring them back up in value. The last thing I want to show you is that you guys on stream had a lot of questions about the flips that you guys can make with the gold cards. I was looking about the cards between 20 to 80k of values. If you're looking to flip or to do anything like that, I saw the patterns from Hazard, Wijnaldum, Griezmann, De Jong, Lucas, Alan, Sane. The Dembele is a bit up potentially because of the hype of the Valverde SBC potential, not a SBC, the team of the week, I'm sorry, dropping. So that's why he's a bit hyped up, and it's a bit riskier to go and flip this card right now. But most of these, they are going into a steady downtrend. They can be supplied a lot on Thursday morning. You can buy them with the supply usually around 11 a.m. UK time is when they will be the cheapest, and then sell them into the morning as people start buying them back. Of course, I don't recommend you go with Adama and all of these low-end cards that so many traders have been hyping them up on Twitter, just because I feel like too many people are looking at them. They're very low rated, and they went up because it was only the second weekend league. People still didn't have enough coins, and they actually hyped up these cards, bought them to play actually with these lower end ones into the first weekend league. As weeks go by, more people will have more coins. They won't look at these lower end cards like Adama anymore, and they'll start buying these higher end ones, which should still be good to flip. Just remember, at some point we'll need to stop doing that. We'll need to look at the M form. So maybe this Thursday it could still work. I do think it will still work, but as we progress, don't jump in just jump in, you know, every single week on these guys, because it might not work. Guys, thank you so much for watching. If you have more questions, tomorrow 5:30 p.m. UK time I stream again. Make sure to be on my Twitch. If you have questions, just drop them down below, and I'll see you again tomorrow. Have a good one. Cheers.